I'm Jacob Kuban. I'm Supervisor of Parks and Landscape Maintenance. Today we're at Giant Oak Park up here on the bluff, and we're going to be conducting an inspection on the tree lightning protection system up here. And we're going to be looking at that air terminal. That's to capture the lightning strike and transfer it down the cable system, down the tree where it's not going to hurt the tree in any way, and go down into the ground to a rod several feet away where it is then grounded. And so what we're looking at is where those air terminals are. Do we need to raise them higher up in the tree at a higher point so it can collect that lightning strike better? And then we're also going to be inspecting the nails that are used to secure the cable a couple inches off of the bark of the tree, and just kind of inspect any connection points, the cable itself. But we're doing this right now during the dormant season, so that our climber Luke can see everything much better without any leaves on, and can climb better and safer, but also for the tree's health. If something were to happen, there's no chance, or virtually no chance, of any kind of infection from that point on, because the tree's going to grow right away in spring and heal itself. Our EIS team, Forestry, myself, we want to try to provide the best situation for this tree to live long term. It's a very significant tree, has high sentimental value for all Peorians, and we just really want to do our best at maintaining it. Tree selection, species selection, we put a lot of thought into that. Select the right trees for the right locations. Not every tree is going to have a lightning protection system, and I'd love us to do a little more pruning, but our crew, we have 9,000 plus acres, and we have this forestry crew that's helping to maintain all of that. So yeah, we definitely do our best with selection, planting, maintaining, and trying to plan for future efforts for tree planting throughout the Park District.